Would you like to learn about 3 projects that could be the next Axie Infinity, the next Decentraland, the next Aave? I'm going to be presenting you with 3 projects that have fantastic long-term multiplier potential. And I'm going to be sharing my view on are we now entering a bull trend? My name is the Suppoman, your superhero of 100x gems. If you love content like this, make sure you smash a like on this video. And don't forget to join 111,000 people that have joined Team Suppo. I want to help make you a millionaire with cryptocurrency. And hit the bell notification because timing is paramount and the next 3 projects are coming out very, very soon. So looking at the cryptocurrency market, have we now entered a bull trend? We have been very, very bearish the last 3 months, but finally we look as if we have broken the bearish trend and are going upwards. I personally am not fully convinced yet. We are in a period of war, and as a result of that, I think this can have an instant and dramatic effect on the market and the Bitcoin price, just like it had last week, where the price of Bitcoin got absolutely crushed as soon as we saw the first shots fired in the war. Now, we have exploded, and this is due to a lot of the safe haven qualities of cryptocurrency. The lack of severe inflation which most countries experience, including Russia, with their currencies. But having said that, we are on a knife edge. If we look at the fundamentals, they are incredibly strong. The hash rate has gone up tremendously. Exchange balances continue to decrease, and although we saw a slight uptick over a couple of days of Bitcoin going on exchanges to be sold, this has once again gone down into the red. So everything does look like there is the foundation of bullishness to occur. Even though we have had a quite violent reversal, I'm just not convinced, just due to the uncertainty of what is happening with the war right now. The dollar is mooning, so I am personally sticking in my stables for now. But I do expect a final leg down at some point before we do actually make momentum towards 100k. A disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and all cryptocurrency investments, no matter how exciting, are risky because of the market environment. Do not buy without doing your own research, and all views and predictions expressed in this video are my personal opinion and for educational purposes. The first high potential altcoin I have got for you coming out soon is Outer Ring. Outer Ring comes out tomorrow, and Outer Ring is a free-to-play, play-to-earn sci-fi 3D metaverse, massive multiplayer online RPG and battle game that has been 3+ years in development. Now, what you do here is you join one of 3 clans, being one of 5 species, where you can play in a player versus environment area. You can chat to other players, so there's a social environment, there's NFT trading, and there is land ownership. The graphics in this game look great. It looks like it's got a fantastic story mode attached to it. Now, what you do here is you earn by battling, either within a spaceship or as a warrior on planets looking to take over. You have got daily quests. There will be money to be made in the fees, sales from virtual shops, and in-game ads. So being a hodler means that you are able to earn. Now, this is where it gets slightly dicey. This is going to open out at just over 1 million market cap. This has slightly increased from what I thought it would be before. Now, this is because it's going to be opening out on quite a few launch pads. So the opening price is going to be 0.4 cents, and there's going to be 210 million in initial circulating supply. 1 million market cap puts it 126x less than Star Atlas, another similar sci-fi space game. 30x less than Sidus, but it has got Bluezilla's marketing team behind it. Now, how do you buy it? You can buy it on GameZone, MetaVPad, and BSCPad if you are wanting to join via Bluezilla launchpads, but they are also going to be launching on Dell Starter, Safe Launch, InfinityPad, GamesPad, and BrandPad. So there's quite a few launchpads getting involved in this, including Bluezilla-based launchpads. Now, the last time this happened was with Katana Inu. After that was Marvelous NFTs. As a result of that, it nuked the ability for a 100x. So I don't foresee a 100x tomorrow. I don't see this going to 100 million market cap, not straight away anyway, but it could over time. As the metaverse becomes available for this game and as the user base for this game evolves over time, then this could do extremely well. The second cryptocurrency I have got for you is Bullyverse. Now, Bullyverse is ultra exciting. Bullyverse is a play-to-earn bull and bear based NFT open metaverse with 3D minigames, and it's built on Unreal Engine. So that means that the quality of the metaverse, the graphics, the NFTs is going to be incredible. Now, what you do on the Bullyverse is you are a citizen of the Believer Island. You can buy an NFT. They are currently available on OpenSea, and that is your avatar in the game. You can buy virtual land, which you can craft structures onto, thus making it a money maker for you. You can lease your property, you can sell your property, you can probably host events with other bulls on that property. And you can create to earn. So you can create your own 3D mini games that can be distributed to all the other players, thus making you money if you are a developer. Now, Bull is going to be the token here. Now, this is going to be a high APY staking token and DAO token, thus giving you voting rights on how Believer Island is run and managed from this day forward. It's also the currency used for NFT acquisition. So you can acquire bear NFTs. And one of their newest mini games, which is Bear Hunt, actually allows you to get a bear NFT and you can purchase NFTs with Bull. Now, the VCs are high quality. They have got OKX, Spark Digital. These are tier 1 investors. Then they have got LD Capital, Maven and Everse, which are second tier. And they've also got Polygon, which is obviously a very reputable name in cryptocurrency. Now, this is going to open up a 600k market cap, so well under $1 million, giving it high potential, especially given the VCs that they've got. For this to equal Sidus, it would be a 50x, Everdome 445x, Axie Infinity 5700x. Now, I'm not saying it's going to be the next Axie, but this seems like a very playable, easy to earn from game that's got those associations with the cryptocurrency landscape in the bulls and the bear main characters. So I really like this game, and I'm looking forward to it coming out, which I've heard on the grapevine is going to be in the next week. I can't confirm that. The third altcoin powerhouse I have got for you is ADA Lend. Now, ADA Lend is rumoured to be coming out on the 11th of March, but it's also to be announced. So I'm going to leave it till official words come in. But what is ADA Lend? ADA Lend is a Cardano decentralized lending system. Being on Cardano means very high transaction throughput and speed. Also, large digital asset throughput with very low fees. What ADA Lend are looking to do is essentially be the Aave of Cardano. So, an automated financial provider that is trustless. So you can get instant loan approval with an infinite duration. So there is no restraints put on anybody getting loans on when they have to pay it back. They can pay it back at any point. Obviously, it will have lending and borrowing facilities, custody on the platform, built with high security and constant liquidity. So with the liquidity pools that they're going to be having and all the assets that you're going to be able to achieve high interest from that, they are providing liquidity for the entire system. ADL is going to be the token. With this, you are going to be able to earn high interest and APY on all assets. Whatever assets they're going to have that you can earn from. So like I said, very, very similar to Aave. High APYs and great returns, particularly should another bear trend or a subsequent bear market occur. There's going to be yield farming as well. And what I like about ADA Lend is that it's unique. It's in a low competition but high demand area. There's very, very few protocols built on Cardano at the moment. It's still opening out. It's still finding its feet. But once there is stability, I imagine that ADA Lend is going to perform very, very well. Now, this is going to open out at 451k market cap. And it's fully Bluezilla. That means it's got no outside launch pads that are going to dilute the gains potential. For this to equal Akala, it would be a 250x on Akala. So this gives a fantastic return on investment than if you were to invest in Akala today, and 4,226x potential to equal AVE, which was previously ETH-Lend. So ETH-Lend did incredibly well. And one of the reasons why is because obviously Ethereum is a massively utilized ecosystem. Over the course of time, so will Cardano be. And Cardano is going to have way more superior transaction times, lower fees. It's going to be a better blockchain overall. So this could be the leading lender in the space. So how do you buy it? Through either AdaPad. So everybody's been hoping for AdaPad to bring out a cryptocurrency for ages. So AdaPad, which I think is possibly going to have the best allocation for it, then BSC Pad, Pulse Pad, Velas Pad, and ETH-Pad at this very time. So 5 launch pads you're going to be able to get AdaLend from. If you are in all of them, obviously you can get a combined allocation and therefore potentially massive multipliers. So that concludes today's episode. Which one of these 3 cryptocurrencies did you like the most, and where do you think the Bitcoin price is going? Let me know in the comments. I would be delighted to hear. Till next time, people, I've been the Suppoman, you've been incredible, and I'll see you next time. It is lights out, all out.